Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best online earning mobile app or survey website. You can earn money by just watching TV and online survey. That very great for you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites for you. Check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is GrabPoints? GrabPoints is a free, versatile-based application that permits clients to acquire focuses by finishing offers and studies, watching recordings, entering free promotion codes and considerably more. How would you bring in cash from GrabPoints? GrabPoints earning methods. On GrabPoints, individuals win focuses by finishing on the web assignments. These focuses can be reclaimed as money or gift vouchers later on. These undertakings are really simple, and should be possible during your leisure time. The most famous approach to gain on GrabPoints is by noting reviews. How would you use GrabPoints? 1. Redeem your prize focuses to shop online. 2. Tap on the menu upper left in your application, and select GrabRewards. 3. In the GrabRewards page, tap on your favorite award to investigate more subtleties. 4. Scroll down and tap on Buy to join GrabPoints, link in the description box. 5. To utilize that specific prize on the web, duplicate the promotion code and tap Use Now. Is GrabPoints.com genuine? Try not to stress dedicated perusers. GrabPoints is surely genuine. Individuals get paid, rewards get dispersed, everything chips away at the site as it ought to be. The organization's client assistance is likewise on point. Get more interesting online sites and tools. Subscribe my channel. Let's start video how it works. 1. Advertisers compensation GrabPoints for commitment. 2. We enlist individuals like you. 3. You do online exercises, watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and the sky is the limit from there. 4. You earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. If you want to create PayPal account, link in description box. I hope you all are enjoying the video. If you know more earning sites or apps, subscribe my channel and share the video. I hope you all start from today. Good luck.